A good vacation rental virtual tour doesn't just show your space, it sells it. In this episode, I'll teach you how to create a walkthrough that books guests before they even arrive. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss an episode of actionable advice to boost your bookings and your sanity. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the game-changing tip near the end that could literally double your direct bookings. Now picture this. You're scrolling through listings for your dream getaway. Photos are okay, but then, bam! A virtual tour pops out. Suddenly, you're walking through the space. The view from the balcony, stunning. The bedroom looks like it was designed by somebody who is part host, part magician. That's the power of a great virtual tour. So here's the question. Is your rental getting booked or just browsed? Let's fix that. Why virtual tours matter more than ever. Today's guests don't want to just see your space. They want to feel it. According to industry stats, and let's be honest, your own late-night travel searches, listings with virtual tours get clicked on more, viewed longer, and surprise, booked faster. Now here's the kicker. Virtual tours don't just wow guests. They filter out the wrong ones. No more, wait, is this kitchen separate kind of messages. Now near the end of this episode, I'll show you a way to create your own virtual tour with almost no tech experience. It's so easy. Even your uncle, who still uses a flip phone, could do it. Start with a walkthrough script. No, really. You wouldn't wing a wedding toast, so don't wing your virtual tour. Think of it like a movie. You are the director, and your rental is the star. Plan the shots. Front door, living space, bedrooms, bathrooms. Clean towels, please. Kitchen, outdoor space. Show the flow, how guests move through the property. Here's a pro tip. End on the view, the hot tub, the jaw-dropping feature that seals the deal. What is the one space in your rental guests always comment on? That should be your virtual tour's grand finale. Now keep it real, but not too real. Virtual tours should feel authentic. That means no fisheye lenses, no fake staging, and definitely no piles of laundry on the sofa. But also, tidy up, okay? You're not filming an episode of Rental Nightmares. Use natural light. Open the blinds and film when the place looks its best. Your tour should whisper, "Relax here," not scream, "Turn back now." Don't forget to check out the Vacation Rental Resolutions YouTube channel for other inspirations. You can find a link in the show notes. Now here are the tools that make you look like a pro, even if you're not. Not a techie? No worries. Apps like Cloud Panel, Matterport, and even Zillow 3D Home let you shoot a 360-degree tour from your phone. Upload, drag and drop, and boom, you've got a tour that books. And if you're using a property management system like HostAway or Logify, many now let you embed these tours directly into your listings. Here's a bonus for you. Google loves this kind of rich content. More eyeballs, more bookings. Now this tip comes straight from the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. Always include a call to action on your tour. That could be a link to book, a want to see more button, or a cheeky ready to pack your bags pop-up. Don't forget your branding. Yes, branding. Your tour should feel like you. Are you playful and quirky? Add a voiceover with your personality. Prefer understated elegance? Stick to a sleek walkthrough with mellow background music. The point? A virtual tour is a taste test. Make sure it leaves a good flavor in their mouth. What's the one feature in your property you show first in a tour? Drop it in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Virtual tours increase bookings. Plan your flow, don't wing it. Use natural light and clean spaces. Leverage easy tools like CloudPano or Matterport. Embed a call to action. A virtual tour isn't just fancy tech. It's a booking magnet. Done right, it builds trust, sparks excitement, and makes your rental unforgettable before they even step inside. Isn't that what you want? Want more step-by-step help with marketing and property design? Check out the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. It goes deep into how to create a guest experience that gets talked about, photographed, and rebooked. If you like this episode, you might like Elevate Your Vacation Rental Digital Marketing Secrets to a Full Calendar, episode 19. Subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. And hey, if you liked our info, buy us a coffee. We like ours strong, just like your booking should be.